What is going on, guys? We are here at the Sibaya Casino for the 2020 season launch and motoring show. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, we're going to get someone to talk about what is done to this Austin Cooper. Because apparently, it's not street legal. So I'm wondering why not.
How's it, guys? This is your boy Valero D in South Africa. We're currently at Sibaya at the South African record event of Compliments of Ayaska. So next to me, I have a vehicle called Nutty by Nature, and that's the nut job. This vehicle is packed with six 12-inch subwoofers, complements of audio gods, as well as two Star Sound 6.5K amplifiers, and if I'm not mistaken, it still has 4 batteries. This vehicle is fully legal in the Ayaska format, and that's an international format, as well as street legal. Now, this vehicle is one of the most phenomenal vehicles you'll ever find in South Africa, and I can say that proudly. It's one of my personal favorites, and this vehicle built and powered by Mr. Anand himself. We call him the nut job, and not forgetting his right-hand man, Winnie, aka Winston. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what's done to this vehicle. The arches are extremely extended, and it's all not fiberglass, not plastic, it's proper steel, and I'll give you a demonstration. I weigh 98 kilograms, and I'll show you that this is all steel. So there's the side sill. A lot of people wouldn't do this, but yeah, that's 98 kilograms on the vehicle, and I'm jumping on it. It's absolutely flawless. The engine bay, if I'm not mistaken, has a 1275 mini motor in there, but I think it's rebored to a 1300. I stand to be corrected on that. This vehicle will drive from Durban to Johannesburg with no stress, apart from he needs to carry a petrol tank, because I don't think it will make it there without enough or sufficient fuel. Very light on petrol. As you can see inside this vehicle, it's properly built, properly reconstructed, as well as the box. And this is a mastermind of an engineer. And that is why you'll have this vehicle bass boxing average over 30 seconds. I've witnessed it over 160 decibels. Now, to give you guys an idea why 160 decibels, a jumbo jet is rated at 145 decibels. That's standing next to a jumbo jet at 145 to 149 decibels. This is 160 decibels. Now, if you guys watched a few videos back in the day, this vehicle with two women, or shall I say female, sitting side by side on both ends, that's 4 women in the car, it moves here all the way. So yeah, this vehicle will be in action today. It's just trying to break the South African record. He is a former world record holder as well as a South African record holder, so he's trying to do his, or beat his previous best. But I don't think the vehicle will come out today full power. It's just more to qualify and get his membership in the international side of things. So there's more to follow, and if you go around the vehicle, you can see exactly what I've been talking about. Let me show you guys inside the engine bay. As you can see, an old 1974 model Mini. That's 1974, older than most of you guys that's going to be watching this video. The wheels as well, 13-inch widened one-off wheels with a stretch tire on there as well. So yeah, you can jump inside the vehicle, have a look at the woofers, and at the back you would not find amplifiers just yet, due to the fact that the vehicle just got here. So the amplifier side of things, is it there? It's behind the batteries. So the amplifiers are now behind the batteries. Before it was visible. And if you look on the top of the vehicle, you'll see that is what we call a helmet. But that specific helmet is the first design and the first helmet like that in South African history. So that's absolutely flawless. The idea did come from overseas. That was in Phuket, if I'm not mistaken, and it also lights up in the evening. Very, very, very beautiful little helmet that we call it. The reason why it's called a helmet, well, it's on top of the vehicle. So yeah, but that's it. You can walk around, have a look, see the batteries, the power cables, as well as the subwoofers. So guys, a little later on today, when the vehicle is running, we will go live for that, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Thank you guys. Salute.
Are you serious right now? What have you done to this polo? Let's go. This polo sounds insane. Guys, here we go. Old school versus new school. Walk through the cars here. Here we got the Toyota Taz with the exhaust coming out of the hood. Looks like we have a Corolla here that seems to be a drag racing build. Then we have a GTI here. And then we have this Golf over here. That sounds like a 2JZ. It sounds insane. And then we got this Runx here with air suspension. rev it for me, please.
Right. So it's a 1972 Ford Fairmont, 5.7 liter V8, the 351 Cleveland. Ford FMX gearbox and a 9-inch diff, limited slip.
Alright guys, up next we have the Nut Job, Nut Job Junior. Nut Job Junior, let's see a 59. $156.3 in the Advanced 3 division. Money for your run. Because that is a current SA record, Anand will have to back up the run. Well done, guys. Anand, give him a round of applause. And I'm sober today. Give Anand a round of applause, guys. 156.1. Well done, Anand.